community of Swannanoa, North Carolina, has recently experienced devastating flooding that has left roads submerged, homes damaged, and families struggling to recover. This video will take you through the aftermath of this disaster and show how the community is coming together during these challenging times. The flooding began after days of heavy rain, causing the Swannanoa River to overflow. As water levels rose, streets turned into rivers, trapping residents in their homes and cutting off access to essential services. Emergency response responders worked around the clock to rescue people who were stranded by the rising waters. Many cars were washed away, businesses were forced to close, and families had to evacuate to temporary shelters.